Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for board exams. With just 10 days remaining, it's crucial to have a focused plan. Start by creating a detailed study schedule, allocating specific time slots for each subject or topic. Prioritize those high-yield areas and any concepts where you feel less confident. Remember, at this stage, the goal is to consolidate existing knowledge, so focus on reviewing your notes and summaries rather than trying to learn entirely new material. This strategic approach will maximize your efficiency. Active recall is your best friend in these final days. Engage in timed mock exams to get a feel for the real test environment and manage your time effectively. After each practice session, meticulously review all your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to understand the reasoning behind them. Techniques like flashcards or self-quizzing can significantly boost your memory retention. Aim for at least one full-length practice test every 2 or 3 days to build stamina and identify weak spots. Your physical and mental well-being are just as important as your studies. Make sure to get a consistent 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This is vital for memory consolidation. Fuel your brain with a balanced diet and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Don't forget to incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so, and consider some light physical activity to help manage stress levels. A healthy body supports a sharp mind. As the exam day approaches, meticulous preparation will ease your mind. The night before, gather all essential documents such as your admit card and identification, along with any permitted stationery. Plan your travel route to the exam center, accounting for potential delays to ensure a stress-free journey. On the day itself, aim to arrive at least 30 minutes early. This gives you ample time to settle in, use the restroom, and calm any pre-exam jitters, allowing you to start with a clear head.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.